The Atlas credit card, issued by Leadbank and managed via the Atlas app, is a charge card designed for credit building with no interest but full monthly payments required. Activation is quick, app-based, and requires no hard credit pull, making it accessible for those with limited credit history. Use official channels to avoid scams. Download the Atlas app. Install the Atlas app from the App Store or Google Play. Ensure it's updated for security. Sign up or log in. Open the app and create an account with your email, phone number, and a secure password. If already registered, log in with credentials or biometric verification, fingerprint or Face ID. Apply for the card. From the home screen, select Get the Atlas card. Enter personal details, full name, address, date of birth, and your SSN or ITIN for credit reporting. Link a bank account via Plaid for funding verification. No physical ID upload typically needed. Activate the card. Upon approval, usually instant, your virtual card appears in the app under Cards. Tap Activate Card, confirm details, and agree to terms. The card is ready instantly. Request a physical card. Free, arrives in 7 to 10 days, if desired. Start using. Add the virtual card to Apple Pay, Google Pay, or use the physical card for purchases. Track via app.